Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use SJ6 Combat Stimulant in Escape from Tarkov. Let's go and take a look at it, the SJ6 itself. The use time is just 2 seconds, so it's perfect if you need to use it as soon as possible in fight and you need that extra boost of stamina and stamina recovery. The side effects is just tunnel effect for 40 seconds, but when you take into consideration that it will boost you for 4 minutes, so you can fight like you're on a steroid, it actually not that bad. You can use it in your tactical rig. You can use any type of keybind you want. I'm using 6, so I can press it as soon as possible. And also I'm keeping my SJ6 in Gamma container because it's very pricey. It costs like 50,000 rubles at this point, but at least you can see that it's very powerful stimulant. Hopefully this will help you, and also thanks for watching. See you in the next video.